All right, we are back again out of the box breaks. We're doing another personal box of contours for SENS HABS. He wants me to pick this time. I'm going to go fourth one. This is the lucky one, I hope. Good luck, buddy. Club Crest, Malcolm Subban. I'll try. Blue Base Parallel, Pecorine at a $4.99. Got a rookie jersey auto at a $1.99, Nick Cousins. Rookie resume at a $3.99, Ryan Hartman. You're getting the whole Hartman collection now. Show me some glove, Ryan Miller. And a blue base parallel, Nicholas Backstrom. All right, down to this last pack, bud. I hope I get something for you. Vincent Hinostroza. He got his gold rookie resume last time. Rookie auto out of $4.99. And Jakub Voracek out of $4.99. Blue base parallel. All right, that does it. Thanks again, SENS HABS.